At the moment, a high pressure keeps the air stable and dry across the country, allowing for lots of sunshine and blue skies and a cloud-free day on Tuesday. But it also means we have very little to talk about on our satellite. On our futurecast, you'll see that high settled in over the interior, which means we can expect yet another sunny day on Wednesday, with warm weather along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. In the southwest, though, we'll see some cloud in the second part of the day, with a cold front bringing in rainfall overnight. Here's a detailed look at your weather forecast across the country on Wednesday, with another sunny and warm day for KwaZulu-Natal, most maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s. We're expecting a cool day for Elliot with a high of only 18 degrees, but with a mild to warm day for the rest of the Eastern Cape. Lots of sunshine over this part of the country, with East London and Port Alfred both topping 25 degrees. 24 for Plettenberg Bay and George, with a sunny forecast for Beaufort West with a high of 21, with a predominantly dry day for the Western Cape, but with that cold front bringing in rainfall overnight. Robertson still with a high of 24, Cape Town and Langebaan both topping 19 degrees. Mostly sunny and warm for Vredendal at 24 degrees, with a high of around 20 for Alexander Bay and Springbok, with a sunny day throughout the Northern Cape, but with a freezing start of Wednesday for Kimberley and a high of 21. Bethlehem drops 4 degrees below zero overnight with a high of 17. Bloemfontein with a sunny forecast with blue skies overhead, and the day starts off at -2 but warms up to 19 degrees with a light to moderate northwesterly wind. A cloud-free day for the northwest with a high of around 20 degrees. Potchefstroom dropping 1 degree below zero overnight, and we're also expecting a fine and dry day throughout Limpopo, with a warm day for the Lowveld, Messina and Phalaborwa at 26 and 27, and Polokwane topping 22 degrees. We're expecting a cool but sunny day for the Mpumalanga Highveld, maximum temperatures peaking in the upper teens there. Pretoria 21 with a sunny forecast throughout Gauteng, and Johannesburg and Vereeniging both at 19 degrees. On our wind map, you'll see a fresh northwesterly wind, particularly over the interior of the Cape provinces, with a moderate northeasterly flow for Richards Bay and a light southwesterly wind for Durban, with an offshore flow for the Eastern Cape. On our extended forecast, you'll see the sunny conditions continuing over a large portion of South Africa, with another warm day for KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday, but with that cold front bringing in cooler weather and cloudy and wet conditions over the western part of the country right the way into Friday. And you'll see that Friday looks very similar to Thursday, with that sunny weather continuing for the rest of the country.
News that moves. eNCA.com.